Matt from Matt Hearts Ice Cream. I'm here at Dairy Queen. It's the first of the month, or it's the second of the month. But it's the beginning of a new month, and I'm eating the new Blizzard. This one is Mini Rolos. Yeah, Rolos. Rolos are awesome. The little caramely, chocolatey bits of radness, and they're in a Blizzard. So, yeah. Let's... Nope, it's definitely good and caramely. Kind of wish there was like something else in here, like maybe like a caramel syrup or a chocolate or something like that to give it more of a kick. Definitely on the good side. Yeah, pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to give the Dairy Queen Blizzard of the Month, the Mini Rolos, 4 scoops of happiness.